Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Naveed. I'm a web developer. Welcome to my course PHP Fundamentals. This is lecture number 1. In this lecture, we will discuss the course overview. PHP is a great beginner level programming language for anyone who wanted to browse the world of coding. Though it is easy to learn, it is a robust language that can be used to build large-scale websites. You might be unaware of the fact that some of the large-scale websites are built with PHP. This includes Yahoo, Facebook, Wikipedia, Tumblr, and more. The major topics we are going to discuss in this course are PHP syntax, built-in functions, user-defined functions, persisting data across the web pages, connecting to database, and much more. This course doesn't require any prerequisite. If you are a beginner or have experience in some other programming language, you are welcome too. This course is designed for absolute beginners. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section.